This tahini lemon sauce is so addictive. People literally scrape the bowl clean with a spoon. One tiny mistake makes it bitter. Here's the perfect balance. 1/2 cup tahini, 3 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, 2 tablespoons cold water, 1 small garlic clove, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon honey. Add 1/2 cup tahini into a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons fresh lemon juice immediately. Watch how it suddenly turns thick and pale. That's the secret creamy texture. Grate 1 small garlic clove directly into the bowl. Add 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder for deep, authentic flavor. Pour in 1 tablespoon olive oil and 1 teaspoon honey. This tiny touch removes bitterness and makes the sauce restaurant quality. Add 2 tablespoons cold water slowly while whisking continuously. The sauce will loosen into a silky, creamy texture. Whisk for 30 more seconds until glossy and smooth. Taste once. Need more tang? Add 1/2 tablespoon lemon juice. This sauce works on shawarma and grilled chicken and many other things. Be honest, would you drizzle this on everything or eat it with a spoon? Comment Team Tahini if you'd try it today.